Did you really just hit your car with that?
What?
Did you really just hit your car with that?
Yes, I did. And I'm completely not going to freak out about it. It happened. It's an event. And I'm sad, but I'm not going to worry about it.
It was an accident and you didn't chip the paint, so...
Nope. It made a noise, and I'm proud of myself.
I'm very proud of you.
I did not freak out on camera.
You did not scream.
I especially didn't... And look, the camera was running. So now everybody knows I'm an asshole. Because I fucking...
oops.
Yeah, but that's cool, because that's why I did it. I'm kidding, but I'm getting there. I promise I wouldn't say anything, but I can pantomime. Watch. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can understand I'm draining the tire on the car because in my mind it's funny, and you'll find out why. I have the stock jack out right there, and I'm just doing some walk around the car. I thought I'd do one of those worst case scenarios. What do you do if you are driving down the road and you need to swap your yeah. Funny thing is like I discovered this one day, and hold on. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna say anything, so right now I'm just filming painted rocks that are stuck in trees. Yeah, there's rocks and trees. Okay, but I'm gonna show you what happens on this car in a little bit. I'm gonna drain that tire. It's gonna be fun. Watch. I won't say anything though. So I can't just technically describe what I'm doing because I said I wouldn't, but I'm gonna make this video. Okay, still draining the tire. Here's the deal, like I'm screwing around, right? Taking pictures of rocks, whatever, but the point is if I get back to the car, these are painted rocks. You find them all over this place, I swear. There's another one. There are these people. Fish eye, I get it. And the point is my tire is starting to look flat. Oh no, yeah. Check this out, bummer. Okay. Where is he going with this? Pressure on the tire is lower. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, make sure you have one of those in the trunk. It makes life way easier, trust me. Anyway, that's how to fill your Viper tire up with air. And certain circumstances, that can be a very unusual situation, trust me. Okay, fucking, yeah. Okay, here's the deal. I swear that somebody here told me where to find something. So, I'm trying to take a trip in the Viper to go and scope this spot on the side of the road, which is going to be like, haha, first time I've ever seen something in my lifetime, like, but I don't know if it's going to happen, so we gotta, I looked up the spot where I think it was. I just want to double check. Yeah, this is boring. Here's a car. We're going for a trip in the car soon. A very short trip. Oh, we're going to go on a wildlife safari. That's it. I got so many. Okay, damn it. Alright, goodbye.